और अभी हम बात करने वाले हैं मैम सोनू गुप्ता मैम से, हु इज़ फ्रॉम जापान फाउंडेशन. गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
Good afternoon.
यस मैम, सो कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन ये जापान फाउंडेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट?
Yeah, actually, Japan Foundation, it's a Japanese government entity, independent administrative office, and it's like head office is in Tokyo, and we have about 24 offices worldwide. So for India, New Delhi office we takes care. Basically, you can see our brochure. Like we have an office in Green Park, and we basically work to deepen the mutual understanding between Japan and the Indians. So we are basically doing the activities in three fields. One is art and culture, then intellectual exchange, and Japanese language.
And how is this going to help the youth of India and the children of India?
Yeah, of course, because we are here to cultivate the mutual understanding, so we do a lot of activities related to the Japanese language. We do organize some classes, events, conferences, workshops, and in the field of art and culture we do organize some symposiums or exhibitions. Those kind of things we are doing it.
और मैम ये वर्कशॉप्स में होता क्या है? लाइक कैन यू टेल अस a bit more in detail?
जैसे अगर आर्ट एंड कल्चर में है तो जापान से रिलेटेड जो भी हमारे वर्क्स होते हैं, सपोज पोट्री है, सेरेमिक्स है, और फिल्म स्क्रीनिंग. यू कैन सी दिस राइट नाउ वी आर लाइक डूइंग दिस JFF थिएटर. तो ये भी फ्री है, पीपल कैन रजिस्टर इट एंड दे कैन सी द ऑनलाइन फिल्म्स. तो आर्ट एंड कल्चर में ये चल रहा है. इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्सचेंज में हम लोग फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम्स हैं, हमारे कॉन्फ्रेंसेस होती हैं बिटवीन इंडिया एंड जापान. वी चूज द टॉपिक्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली we do invite the professors, topic related guests from Japan and from India as well. And language mein we do Japanese language training workshops also to enhance the teaching methodologies of the teachers who are teaching Japanese language, and plus orientations like about Japan language culture.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and thank you for the.
One thing more I would like
Yes,
to
ma'am.
add, like if people are interested, they can come to our library. It's like open from Tuesday to Saturday. So we have a huge collection of books. Those who are interested in animation or anything related to Japan, its culture, language, please visit our library. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.